Go. We got Capital Plus. We got Chime. This is actually the funding stage. It looks like a lot of people have been getting funded. So we're going to keep these hopes alive. We're going to ride this wave. Yes, we're going to ride this wave. Guys, drop the comments below. Let me know where you guys stand as far as funding stage. You know, do you got to upload documents? What's going on? Pretty much let me know what's going on. But it looks like people are getting funded. So in that case, I will be reading a lot of people's comments and also going over this this member's channel, just based off of the fact of a lot of people have been asking me about Capital Plus. So I'm just going to do reviews and talk about other people, you know what I mean? And basically talking about other people, meaning people have been sending me, they're funded, they're in the process of getting funded, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's begin with this. Before we begin, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are updated with the latest and greatest information. Also, that also asks you to be in the giveaway, you know, so I'm still gonna be doing the giveaway. So if you guys want to be entered, that's the best way to be entered in that giveaway. But yeah, let's get right to this. This member said, just funded, signed almost 2 months ago. April 6th, no re-verification. No updated banking information, nothing, straight from a month and a half. Capital Plus, by the way, is coming, y'all. So yeah, in the words of this member, it is coming. And of course, we got to keep the hopes alive. We gotta ride this wave, because it does look like, since we're past the deadline, a lot of people have been getting funded, you know, and it's good to hear. It's good to hear people, you know what I mean, are getting funded, and especially people have been signing their notes and everything in April. So we're in June now. So that is very, very good that they are getting funded. But yeah, let's begin to read some of these comments. They said 2 days earlier, Chime gets paid. Traditional banks is coming, but yes, congratulations. So they're basically saying, of course, with Chime, you'll get paid 2 days earlier. I do want to let you guys know, if you guys ever got questions or want to download Chime, you can always download Chime in my description. You'll actually receive $75 for downloading Chime. So it's really a win-win situation for you guys. You guys will get $75. You guys going to get a savings, banking, and a credit builder account, guys. You guys will get all of that if you guys sign up with Chime. And of course, use my link in the description. You will be getting a free $75, people. A free $75. It is very, 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 very simple. Somebody else began to say, we next. Yes, we are in Jesus' name. Yes, friend, I say by Wednesday/Thursday. Someone began to say, let's go, April gang, we are here. I believe so too. Yes, got to be our turn. So it looks like there's a lot of positive comments. You know what I mean? That's just the best way to be. Got to stay positive. You actually got, and that's in any situation, guys. Any situation, you got to stay positive. You got to remain positive. You know, if you guys got all check marks, of course, just remain positive and be patient, you know, because you never know what day that will drop. You know, a lot of people's asking me what day it's going to drop. there's not a specific date because everybody is different, and I want to tell you guys that as well. Everybody's different, you know. Everybody's situation is different, whether it's the banking, whether it's the you know what I mean, whether it's the funding stage. Everybody is different, but we're going to stay positive because it looks like a lot of people have been receiving theirs. They said, let's go, what's your IP address? I'm just hoping I get funded too. I have Chime as my bank too, and it's for way less than this amount. So I'm hoping and praying I get this money too. I've also been waiting for 2 months. I signed my docs on April 20th. So it looks like the people that signed around April, you know what I mean, which was 2 months ago, they're starting to receive theirs. It is crazy to think that, you know, it could possibly take over 2 months, but we guys just gotta stay patient. We just gotta stay patient, stay positive at the end of the day. You know what I mean? But as I always say, guys, drop the comments below. Let me know where you guys actually stand. Is there any way that I can help you guys, especially when it comes to Chime? I always say that I have Chime that actually watches my content. You know, Chime actually watches my content. They will feel free and they will be happy to help you guys. They watch my content, so of course they'll be happy to help you guys. As I said, drop the comments below. Let me know. You know, yeah. So we're just gonna stay positive. If you guys want to stop the video anytime, feel free to stop the video. Feel free to read some of these comments because I know at the end of the day, a lot of this stuff really depends on, number one, the person, the business, what's going on, and also with these banks. Like I said, everybody's different. Everybody's different, but looks like a lot of people have been getting funded. Congratulations. They said, no, you was mad. I called you out on being a weirdo. What bank? And they began to say Chime. So this is actually full out footage with Chime. So for the people that's having Chime, it looks like they are starting to get funded. As I always say, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. I'll keep some of this up. That way, if you guys want to screenshot it, you guys can feel free, screenshot any of this information, pause the video. That way you guys can actually read it. Somebody said, some are funded already when activated, some aren't. It's really a chance. Man, they wouldn't let me use Chime, so I used VARO, and now I heard VARO be rejecting if it's over 10K, but mine's only 5, so less, so maybe not. Yeah, so we never know. You know, I've been hearing that as well. Depending on the amount, a lot of people have been getting denied on some companies, but yeah, like I said, every company is different, every situation is different. So I want to wish everybody the best, especially when it comes to this PPP loan. I want to wish you the best. Hopefully you guys figure it out. Also, hopefully you guys download Chime and use my link. That way you're going to get a quick $75 just for doing that. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to leave this up for open discussion in the comment section. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Alright guys, so as I always say, I appreciate each and every one of you guys who always comment on my videos. This is actually a comment from one of my members. I do want to let you guys know I'm trying to reply back to everybody. I know a lot of people are actually, you know, waiting to get funded, just depending on when they actually, you know, applied and whatnot. But yeah, let's get right to this. One member began to say, just got funded. I'm on Womply, canceled funding, identity, and tax forms on exclamation marks. Womply just has glitches. Signed prom 5/19. They were funded 10 days later, 5/29 on a Saturday morning. Bensworth. So it's actually good to even hear that people are getting funded on Saturdays. I know a lot of people were questioning that, like, can you get funded on Saturday? What about Sunday? And it really looks like Saturday people are getting funded. People are waking up getting funded. So of course I will appreciate you guys. Just drop those comments below. Also let me know when you guys get funded. But yeah, it looks like Bensworth, they are funding those people. You know what I mean? I don't know. Everybody is different as far as when they got funded, but Bensworth, they're definitely doing those funds and whatnot right now. You know, it's towards the end of the month, so it looks like everybody hopefully is going to get funded by, you know, hopefully within a week or two, you know. But yeah, let's get right into this, and we're going to 110% get into this. They began to say that a lot of people are just congratulating them. Somebody said, thank you, was stressing out. but glad been worth process, just patience. Now that's the best thing that we can do is just stay patient. I know a lot of people, you know what I mean, they're just like anybody else, you know what I mean, we don't want to be patient. We need it now, right? We don't want to be patient, but that's the best thing that we can do, especially if you have all checks and you're just waiting to get funded. The best thing to do is just to be patient, you know, because I know a lot of things can happen within that moment. So the best thing to do in reality, continue to stay patient. Somebody began to say, I signed my DocuSign documents this morning, and when I woke up this morning, it's saying canceled on my application with Womply, but all my lights are green except the last box. I'm with Cap Plus and still nothing. I'm glad to see things are moving for someone though. Just wait to see if you get the problem note. I got the problem note within 48 hours. I was on canceled, couldn't make no corrections. So like I said, just be patient. It looks like within 24 to 48 hours, they will send you guys something. So if it's past that, that's when I should worry. But if it's not, if it hasn't been past the 24 to 48 hours, really don't worry about that, all right? Somebody said, okay, thanks, did it. Do you like that also? Because I was wondering why would it have me basically sign a DocuSign and then cancel me. So that, like I said, that doesn't make sense. You sign the DocuSigns and then you get canceled. So you guys, like we said, it really don't make sense. So that's where that glitch comes in at, you know what I mean? Sign DocuSigns and then there's a glitch. You know, so if you guys got questions or going through that, feel free to drop those questions below. I'm here to help you guys. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. All right, guys. Now somebody else began to say, I signed my DocuSign documents this morning, and when I woke up this morning, it is saying canceled on my application with Womply, but all my lights are green except the last box for bank account, which my bank has been verified, but it is saying to start a new application. What do you think I should do? Because I signed my DocuSign documents last night. Do they have a glitch in their system? All right, guys. Now somebody else began to say, I signed my DocuSign documents this morning.